Oh, me.
Nah, but that bitch got kicked, fool. Hey, be careful when you loading that shit, though. Or you want me to load?
I don't need no help.
Shit, I probably need help on it too.
At 9?
Yeah, just shoot it 9, bro.
Them yours, though?
Yeah.
Just hold that bitch tight, nigga. The more, alright, this all it is. When you hold it tight, right? It'll just kick you up. But if you got it tight, you ain't gonna stop it. You gonna just feel it. That's all you gonna feel. Damn, my nigga. Why you let it jam on you?
That's it.
That's it jammed on you, my nigga. What happened? I don't give a fuck.
I tore him up though. I tore him up.
That nigga can't pee right.
Shit.
Do better this round.
I low key fucked up. You know what I'm saying? I tore his ass up though, but
I mean, you still got him though.
he done lost a.
You was aiming at his head. You was aiming at the head or?
That nigga shooting better than this other out here.
What? I'll show you niggas something.
Yeah.
On 10, look. Just remember, nigga, 4. It's 4. 10, Izzy. I missed it.
Better than mine.
You dead?
Oh, it ain't your shit. He busting niggas head.
Nah, this nigga dead.
That nigga's dead.
This nigga's dead.
This nigga dead.
He's gone.
He gone.
Nah.
What's that? 5? 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah.
5, 6, 6. All right.
This nigga's dead too though.
You done skinned this nigga head. All right.
This nigga dead.
That nigga's dead.
This nigga
Dead.
he ain't having no kids.
That nigga shot it.
He the nigga that fucked your bitch. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see him.
Let me see.
He done domed his
Knock
ass
that
up.
nigga out. Hold on.
Table helps. You keep it on the table, push down.
Let's see how you do, my boy.
No, he did.
That nigga dead.
That nigga done.
Doorknob. This one was new though. That's new. Them two. And these two. One of them over here.
You ain't missed though.
I hit. Nah, not
I
really.
missed like a motherfucker.
Unless you call these a miss over here.
Nah, it's still like.
It's still hitting.
Nigga,
He like, ah, shit.
Shoot mine first.
Why do I feel so?
I be in the middle with my shit.
That's the before and after.
Don't hit him up. Feel me? That ear off, you hear me? I was aiming over here. I shot that one on. I seen the miss though.
Loki thought you was gonna shoot her. I might fuck around and shoot her in the head.
That kick just like they both fired arms on my.
Hey, that
Don't miss, nigga.
2, 3, 4, 5. Oh well, nigga, I saved it though.
Hey man,
Nigga, yeah.
when you shoot, stand right.
Yeah. That's what you're supposed to do.
Nah, I'm not.
You stay, you shooting like this. Nonchalant shooting, talking about something.
My boy with the 10mm. Let him see that thing. Y'all see that? Glock 33. See how that boy did? Oh yeah, you see, all up on me. Yeah.
Shade a little bit. She ain't got no flesh.
Girl in trouble, nigga. She getting choked out. She getting choked out. Let's see what you do.
Go for it.
I was gonna say, you bust that bitch face open.
I almost did hit it. I was too close, huh?
Yeah. Alright, I see you, my nigga. I see you.
Ah, no. It was almost flawless. That's
So you missed 2 so far? I missed 3 so far. How many?
1.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
I think I'm.
If your threat is over there, it's high, huh?
I missed 4.
Your average engagement distance.
I'm finna shoot 15.
Yards, which is 30 feet. Damn. All right. 15. I gave it.
That. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Did I shoot her?
Nah, you ain't shoot her.
Nah, I ain't shoot her.
I think we the only one that flushed that bitch.
What, you shot
I
her?
so hit the bitch down here.
I shot her too though.
Damn, man. They gonna be like, damn, man.
Flesh
You let the
wound.
victim.
Hey, I only shot that bitch once. One time is too many though.
Yeah, bro.
God damn.
That shit coming through the back. I ain't gonna last 3, 4, 7.
Yeah.
Bro, that shit coming through the skull.
Yeah. She's done.
She ain't.
She's done. I ain't gonna lie. I should say -10. It's -50, nigga. The head. It's over. Damn. I don't fuck to it, man.
The way I did it was wrong. No, the way you did it was right. So, but I'm
This is when I got at the house, man.
So when I train with you,
When we finna shoot now, I got this one at the house.
For the one we finna shoot.
Yeah. Oh, that's yours. He ain't hit his middle or none.
Yeah, I'm finna keep this.
Hold it up. Yeah, nigga, I don't know why he trashing his because he don't want him. So he ain't